How to change my name on McDonald's app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, open up your McDonald's application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're signed into your McDonald's app. Now once you are signed in, simply tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on My McKay's app. Now in this section, tap on Personal Details. And in this personal details section, tap on Edit Profile. Now from here, you'll find your personal details. If you want to go ahead and change your name, tap on the first name and then edit your name according to your likings. Now once you are done changing your name, tap on Save Changes. And just like so, you'll be able to change your name on McDonald's app. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.